नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, श्री फोरम ऑफ बैंक पेंशनर एक्टिविस्ट के श्री जयंत शुक्ला जी ने एक पत्र श्री के सत्यनारायण राजू एमडी एंड सीईओ कैनरा बैंक को लिखा। उस पत्र का टेक्स्ट मैं इसलिए पढ़ना चाहता हूं कि कम से कम किसी एमडी एंड सीईओ ने इस बात का ध्यान रखा कि स्टाफ वेलफेयर के लिए भी कोई नीति होनी चाहिए, वेलफेयर की बात होनी चाहिए। डियर सर, वी हर्ड योर 6-minute स्पीच while addressing the Independence Day celebration on 15th August. I was surprised to hear your address, which was full of compassion, kindness, and the human sensitivity. Hats off you. You made the function special by inviting all the 149 families to whom you extended ex gratia to the fullest, ignoring the rules. Happy to know that you approved 200 compassionate appointments pending for the last 5 years, in which you also ignored the age conditions. कितना महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि 149 फैमिलीज को फुलेस्ट एक्स ग्रेसिया एक्सटेंड करने का जो कदम श्री सत्यनारायण राजू जी ने उठाया है, एमडी सीईओ कैनरा बैंक का, वो कितना सराहनीय है। 149 फैमिलीज के लोग कितनी दुआएं देंगे और अपने तरफ से अपना अथॉरिटी का यूज करते हुए किया। 200 कंपसनेट अपॉइंटमेंट्स जो पेंडिंग पिछले 5 साल से थे, उसको पूरा करने के लिए आपने इग्नोर्ड द एज कंडीशंस को भी इग्नोर करके उन्हें मौका दिया। Although I am not a Canarite, yet while listening to your speech, my heart was moved, my throat choked with emotions, my eyes moist with the compassion. I have no words to express my gratitude towards you. Wish you due courage to hold human values atop in life. It is the need of the hour that the management provides better leadership in the matter of the bank employees, officers. While there is a systematic system for execution of work in banks, there is a void in terms of human resources where work is being done through ad hoc policies. There has been no system of research and analysis in banks for the better human resource management. The HR department has been performing only formal function like disciplinary action in cases of misconduct, promotions, posting, etc. What should be the personal policies? Generally, no work has been done in any bank. Consideration and decisions continue to be taken based on the demands of the unions. There was nothing innovative in it. Personal policies were to be decided by management but remained a matter for the unions. The adverse effect of this was there was always a gap between the management and human resources. There was no coordination, and we understand that both of them suffered loss due to this. We are confident that you will do something out of the box in this direction. There is an urgent need to stop the injustice being done to retired people. You discussed health insurance. The solution to the problem, that is health coverage for every retiree, will not come by reducing premiums or increasing subsidies. The problem will be solved by providing health insurance of appropriate amount at the cost of banks. For this, you will have to have a bit bigger heart. Sir, health insurance is not a demand but a matter of implementation. There is a decision for this and also financial provisions. Along with the welfare funds, there are also CRS funds. Apart from this, considering the profitable position of the banks, we do not think that there will be any difficulty in providing health insurance to the retired at bank cost. Health insurance is like a lease of life. Hopefully, both your feelings and willpower will stay with retirees and give them a better chance at life. ये बड़े ही दिल वालों की बात है कि एमडी सीईओ कैनरा बैंक ने यह डिसीजन लिया और इसीलिए उनसे गुजारिश भी की जा रही है कि रिटायरीज के हेल्थ प्रीमियम के बारे में सोचें, क्योंकि प्रीमियम रिड्यूस कर देने से ही उनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होती है। अगर आप इसको बैंक के पार्ट्स पे इसका प्रीमियम पे किया जाए तो इनके लिए जीवन सुलभ हो जाएगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।